Hello guys, welcome to Supreme Steno classes. Now I am going to dictate a passage of previous year of Bark skill examination. So be ready for it. 5 seconds. Good morning. Welcome to our annual general meeting 2017. I am very pleased to see so many familiar faces here today. Thank you for joining us. Today we are going to discuss 23 resolutions. These are set out in the notice of meeting. I would like to propose all of those resolutions. We will discuss them during the meeting and then vote on a poll at the end. This is my 8th year as chairman of this extraordinary company. It is a rare privilege and a great responsibility. The world energy market is evolving rapidly and your company is adapting to meet that change. In our history, it is unlikely that there has ever been as much change as there is now. In a few minutes, I am going to talk to those challenges and opportunities. But first, let me talk to the year just gone. Each time we have met, we have had important matters to reflect on. In year 2016, we saw a number of challenges raised by economic, political, and social forces. It was a year of uncertainty and complexity. In the energy world, the oil price started to rise and stabilize the industry, increased its focus on the lower carbon economy. But there was more to the year than that. In 2016, we could start to put behind us the restrictions of the past and to look to the future with growing confidence. We must never forget the events of 2010. They are who we are and they will shape our future. Our future lies in our strategy and in growing the company. Our team have created a solid base. We are safer and financial sound. We returned to profit. We have a new portfolio which is more competitive, that is more resilient, and that is able to respond to a low oil price. We always seek value above volume. With our recent investments, our production should be back at the same level as before. In all, 2016 was a good year considering the continued tough environment. Our performance last year is important when we come to consider the question of remuneration later in the meeting. We have to be clear on the short and medium term while recognizing the challenges over the longer term. We have to be ready to meet the resources needs of today and tomorrow while anticipating the growing demands. Each year we produce a scenario of the energy of the world. We regularly look at different scenarios. In this, we can see the actions that could be needed in these different scenarios. We need these scenarios as we cannot predict the pace of change. Oil prices will continue to be under pressure. Efficiency and low cost production will be rewarded. Gas will replace coal for power generation. Over the next 20 years, we will see the effect on oil consumption by increasingly efficient engines. Obviously, sales of electric vehicles will increase. As a company, we can be more agile and ready to adapt. We will focus on oil, which is produced at lower cost. We are increasing our investment in gas. We will grow our business in renewables, advanced mobility, and power storage. This is a very important new initiative. We will do all of this in a way which will be simple and which will transform the way that we work. Stop. सो गाइज, ये आपका डिक्टेशन था अराउंड 80 WPM. आप इसे लिखिए, टाइप कीजिए. प्रीवियस ईयर का डिक्टेशन है, बहुत ही ईजी डिक्टेशन है. और मैं इसके लिए जो है एरर परसेंटेज सेट करता हूँ 1%. यदि आप 1% और 2%, इवन 2% के अंदर यदि आपकी तैयारी है तो आप बहुत ही अच्छा कर रहे हैं. और यदि आपको हमारे डिक्टेशन पसंद आ रहे हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलिए, शेयर कीजिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. और यदि आपकी कोई क्यूरीज है स्किल एग्जामिनेशन के रिगार्डिंग तो कमेंट कीजिए. थैंक यू.